Hello, my friend. Welcome back to my channel, Lilybird Time. Guess what? We've got an exciting trip coming up in January, and I couldn't be more thrilled. As I started packing my things, I realized I had quite a collection of electronic accessories that I needed to bring along. And they were all in different shapes and sizes. A battery bank, various chargers for my laptop, cell phone, battery, and external drive. I would often find myself unable to locate the cable I needed. To keep them organized and easily accessible, I did some research online and stumbled upon this adorable travel cable organizer. It's the perfect solution to keep all my electronic accessories in one secure place. I thought I'd share this find with you, just in case you're also in need of a similar solution. I spent $17 on my purchase, which I found to be reasonably priced. Additionally, the delivery was punctual and arrived on time. The compact dimensions make it an ideal for my backpack. The battery bank fits perfectly in the mesh pocket with a zipper closure. The zipper works smoothly. The elastic band appears to be of excellent quality. Travelers require lightweight waterproof nylon fabric, and this product delivers exactly that, weighing less than a pound. This travel cord organizer would fit the briefcase, backpack, and luggage without taking much space. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to discover more helpful home organization tips, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you again next time.